Oh, gotta turn the bike on. CS feller. Oh, you gotta actually turn the bike on. Good lord. Hi guys, I ride dirt bikes a lot. You should totally subscribe and watch my channel. Because I do things like can't figure out how to turn a dirt bike on. What's happening, guys? Oh, we are out at Rocky Gap and doing the South Loop. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Wow. This would be a dope campsite. And the main road, there's a main road right there. Okay, give me a second. We're gonna set up a little GPS marker here. I'll be back with you guys in 1 minute. So yeah, that looks like a sick little camp spot. Good deal. All right. I'm still getting used to this like second gear stuff. With the new really decent jetting on Xena, she can do a lot more in second gear. You know what's funny? I always heard people talking about what gear to take like hard stuff in. And I was like, first, obviously. You take all the hard stuff in first. And now I kind of get it. I understand. Because you can attack a little bit harder in second gear. And remind you, this is coming from a guy who learned how to ride in 2013. Excuse me, pheasants. I don't have a shotgun. But you got to remember, I learned how to ride well above 10,000 feet, where second gear wasn't really that much of an option because the bike was so anemic from lack of oxygen that first gear was really where all of your power was. So what we would do is just ring out first gear and just get all the RPMs. Oh, this is cool. Sweet little spot. Whoa. Little kicker in the leaves there that I didn't see. This is a cool little trail, man. I think the only problem here is going to be that they're short. They're real short. This flowy stuff is like excellent. Love it, love it, love it. Oh man, you guys want your daily dose of cute. So Stace took Hannah to this little like miniature festival in this town near us called Volant. And what Volant is, I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with New Hope. It's just a little like artsy crafts type town attraction kind of thing. It's actually a town, but I don't know, you could classify it as an attraction. They call it like Witch's Night Out or Witch's Day Out. And Stace dressed Hannah up like a witch. And here it is. So cute. The cute overload is just too much. Oh, these banks are killer. Isn't she just adorable? Oh, my little bean. We got so lucky, man. We are so lucky. She's just an awesome little kid. Oh, still working on the standing up on her own. She will stand up and hold on to stuff, and she'll walk around the living room or wherever with her little, she's got a little push cart buggy thing, and she'll walk like far by herself. Whoa, watch out for that one. Painted rock. I guess that's just don't. That one probably took somebody's toe off and they were like, hey, you know what I'm gonna do? Oh crap, which way do I go? Didn't know which way to go. But she's developing super well, and she's gonna be running around. And Daddy needs to. Whoa! I imagine those things are stupid fun on quads. This looked like a pretty popular place for quads. Oh yeah, Hannah. She's developing super well, and I'm just so excited. She's saying the word dada or dada da 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 like that over and over and over and over again. So cute. She doesn't know what she's actually saying, but I don't care. It's so cute. And she's been saying mum 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 for a long time. So Stace has been like making out like a bandit, and I was like, yo dog, my turn. So for days and days and days I would just hold her while I was working and be like, dad 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 dad, while she was sitting there going mum 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 boom 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 in my face. So I'm like, you'll get it, because da is a completely different sound. Like I've been like learning a lot of things that you don't even think about, which I think I mentioned in the Bald Eagle videos. Oh, this is killer. But like moving your mouth to say da is an awful lot harder than saying buh, because you just use your lips. You don't have to use your tongue at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. This is so nice. So I've been watching a new channel, a guy that's really into hard enduro that you guys should check out. He's called Every Single Sunday, which I'm sure you all know is a play on Any Given Sunday, which was a great film. But he does great videos. He does kind of what I do, like trail narrations in California. But I've seen him. He's ridden in Mexico and a couple other places. I shared up one of his videos to the Facebook. Wow, this is beautiful. I should actually like Wow. Can you say we need to take a pixel? Oh, gotta turn the bike on. So yes, feller. Oh, you gotta actually turn the bike on. Good lord. Hi guys, I ride dirt bikes a lot. You should totally subscribe and watch my channel. Because I do things like can't figure out how to turn a dirt bike on. But one of the videos, like I be judging sometimes. I be judging. So one of the videos I was watching on every single Sunday, his channel, was he had met up with a couple of guys at a previous ride, and oh, hello, and one of them was like pretty new to riding, and he was like helping him learn how to ride, helping him like progress his riding at the previous ride. And then this one was like a year later, the actual video that I was watching. See somebody up here with a stick. Oh no, okay. I'm like, who you? Why you got a stick? Don't make me have to pull the boomstick. But anyway, it was like a year later, and he was following the guy and talking about how his riding had progressed. And the guy was riding like some gnarly stuff at I think it, what was it, Black Bear? I think it was Black Bear, I don't know. I'll let you know if I'm wrong. Yes, you know. And the dude was killing it. I mean, you could tell he was struggling a little bit, but like for the stuff that he was riding, for apparently only being his second season of riding, it was awesome. And every single Sunday guy was giving him great tips and really encouraging him. And I love seeing that stuff. Oh, I need to stop being lazy. If you guys see me being lazy, just say, "Serious fella, stop being so goddamn lazy." Just not standing up at all. Alright guys, maybe we'll turn this into 3 videos. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.